10 safety measures to protect Facebook from hacking. Use a strong password. Choose a strong and unique password for your Facebook account. Do not use passwords that are easy to guess, such as your name or date of birth. Update your Facebook app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Facebook app installed on your device. Facebook regularly releases updates to fix security vulnerabilities. Be cautious with public Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks to access Facebook. These networks may be insecure and allow hackers to intercept your messages. Verify the sender. Verify the sender before opening any message or attachment. If you receive a message from an unknown sender, do not click on any links or download any attachments. Enable two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Facebook account. This feature requires you to enter a unique code each time you log into your account. Enable login alerts. Enable login alerts to receive notifications whenever someone logs into your Facebook account from an unfamiliar device. Limit public visibility. Limit the visibility of your Facebook profile to prevent strangers from accessing your personal information. Use trusted apps. Only install apps from trusted sources and review the permissions they require before granting access to your Facebook account. Don't click on suspicious links. Avoid clicking on suspicious links that you receive in Facebook messages. These links may lead to phishing websites or malware downloads. Enable Profile Picture Guard. Enable Profile Picture Guard to prevent others from downloading or sharing your profile picture.